you focus on me.
Top 5, no debating. Top 5, top 5, top 5. And
Hey curl friends, it's _sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again with another Top 5 Friday. And this Friday we are talking about mask, my top 5 favorite hair masks. So we have 5 minutes to get down my hair mask, and I'm going to try to tell you guys why they're my favorite. So let me get my good sis Siri on here. Good sis, set timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for 5 minutes.
Okay, so let's start with my all-time top favorite, number 1, like holy grail. I run out all the time. The TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. It is so good. When I tell you there's nothing that this mask has not helped my hair recover from. Disrespect. I feel like this mask it's just the all-in-one, all-inclusive. It does everything I needed to do. It has raw honey and olive oils in it. It's an intense, deep, penetrating conditioner for dry, damaged, and color-treated hair. I don't got none of that. You know, my hair's straight. But it do what it do. I do have heat damage, I'm lying. This is my holy grail, number 1. I've not found anybody that it didn't work for, and it smells amazing. And when I'm in the shower and I run out, I be like I look at it, and it be my last few drops, and I'm just thinking, like, what has my life come to? How did I let it get this far? This is it. So I'm gonna put this one down, and then we're gonna talk about its, lesser counterparts. We'll use it when necessary, but it's not our go-tos. But it's still in our top 5. I want to go with, in no particular order, the Hairfinity Strengthening and Amino Mask. Now, my hair does have its protein sensitive moments, but it is not all the time like strictly protein sensitive. If you are protein sensitive, do not use this mask. Don't. You'll be brittle out here, busted, crusted, stressed, blaming me, and I'm not gonna have nothing for you, love. This is a great mask for people who need protein. My once every so often that I need protein, this is my go-to, the Hairfinity mask. And I guess it's gonna grow my hair. I'm willing to try it, anything for some inches, right? Hopping right into the next one. Now, main choice doesn't always work for me, but when it does work for me, it does outstanding. If you remember, I talked about the leave-in conditioner from this line. This is the line that I was talking about, where everything from this entire line, the Tropical Moringa line, everything from it works for me. The seal-in, the leave-in, the shampoo, the conditioner, it's just all amazing. I love everything about this line. The smell is great. This mask goes on amazing. I had to purchase a new one for this video because my other one's empty. This is just a great mask. I feel like it's good for people who are protein sensitive, good for people who are not. It's just a general good mask. Like, I have nothing but great things to say about it. It's still not like my number 1 go-to, but it is a great smell. Your man will always be like checking for the smell. And then I have the True by Made Beautiful, their mask. I haven't got through their whole line, but their stuff just smells so good. It smells like the lemongrass line from Alkaline Naturals mixed with the Honey Miracle mask line from TGIN. It's a perfect combination of both. It's sweet, but it's like sultry. But I just love the thickness. It actually is very, very similar, now that I done brought it up, to the TGIN mask. It's the same consistency. It goes on the same. It puts in the same amount of moisture in my hair. I think the only difference is that that one just makes my curls pop immediately, and this one, my curls pop after I put my product in, but I'm still gonna get those same curls. Then, last but not least, the honorable mention that is not here to make a debut is the Aztec clay mask that everyone's using. It's just so good. I have nothing but good things to say about it. It's just like it dries your hair out, but your hair be moisturized. I just don't. Y'all, this thing be disrespecting me. I be in the middle of sentences. I mean, I guess we gotta end it there. We got all 5 in, right? You know, we did what we could. So until next Friday, thank you for rocking with me, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about any of these or where you can get them, it'll be in the description box, as well as you can just ask me and I'll answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Hey curl friends, it's _sincerely Asia, and I'm back at it again. Another Friday, bringing you my top 5 mask. Focus. No, but seriously. Okay, hair is too big. Should I put it in one ponytail? The back to the back. Everything you want in the back of my head.